In this video, I'll show you how to add credits in Suno AI in 2026. Start by signing in to your Suno AI account. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the dashboard and click your profile icon or account menu. This is where you'll find your account settings, subscription details, and credit information. Next, open the Billing, Subscription, or Manage Plan section, depending on the version of Suno you're using. Here, you'll be able to view your current plan and the number of credits available in your account. After that, review the subscription options offered by Suno. In most cases, additional credits are obtained by upgrading to a paid plan or switching to a plan that includes more monthly credits. Compare the available plans and choose the one that best matches your music creation needs. Now, click the Upgrade, Subscribe, or Change Plan button. Suno will guide you through the payment process. Enter your payment details, review the billing information, and confirm your purchase. Once the payment is completed successfully, the credits associated with your selected plan will be added to your account. Depending on the plan, these credits may be added immediately or become available at the start of your next billing cycle. Next, return to the main dashboard and check your credit balance. Your updated credit total should now appear in your account. If the balance does not update right away, refresh the page or sign out and sign back in. After that, begin creating music as usual. Each song generation uses credits, so it's a good idea to plan your prompts carefully to get the best results while making your credits last longer. Now, keep track of your remaining credits by periodically checking your account dashboard. This helps you know when you may need to upgrade your plan or wait for your next monthly credit refresh. Finally, if you experience any problems with billing, payments, or missing credits, visit Suno's Help Center or contact the support team through the official support options available in your account settings. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add credits in Suno AI in 2026. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.